Good morning, everyone. I am R. Prabharan, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ramkunj Staff Technology, Rajapalayam. I would like to thank Ramkunj Staff Technology for gave good opportunity to learn UCEE course on online teaching. My capstone project here I have taken Google Classroom as my learning management system LMS. So here I have created the course ME853 8593 Design of Machine Elements for third year mechanical engineering students. Here I have added my people. So totally 32 students, it is total strength. So 32 students have added in that LMS, and so three my co-teachers, Prabram sir and Venkatesh sir also added in this course. I have added so introductory module, I mean module 0. So this is module 0. In this module I have all the things regarding. So first one is that so here I have added so course outline. So this is so defined course outcomes and COPO and COPSO mappings. Okay, so second I have added free request is knowledge. Free request is knowledge, it's needed mechanics and strength of material. And I have added class timetable, and I have added a syllabus for that particular course, and I have created a tutorial plan, as well as here I have created my lecture plans. So everything I have created, recorded, as well as that live sessions. I have added previous year question papers also, and here I have shared the simulation software link, which will be useful for simulate our design of machine elements problems. And I have added self-study materials. This is the NPTEL course videos, and I have added some standard textbooks PDF copies. Here I have mentioned course objective outcomes. So what about objectives, and what it may be the student will be able to do some outcomes. So everything I have added here, and I have added 2 mark and big questions and syllabuses. So this is for meeting hours, okay, contact hours. So every Monday, first hour, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I have attached a timetable for reference. So this is that platform, online platform for so meeting. So and also I have added contact hour also. This is that meeting hour, here contact hour. So totally as per the syllabus, university syllabus. So totally so 45 hours. So weekly 3 hours. Okay. So here I have added total 45 hours and 3 hours, like that I have added here. So I have created some grievances forum. Okay, here this is the grievances forum, and also I have created a feedback form. Anytime the students can give feedback using this Google form, I have attached here. So in that announcement column, the here this is that special announcement. So I have announced some academic schedule. So I mean, so in my college created an academic schedule. So I have forwarded the schedule, and just I have announced for making uniformity. For example, here people, so all the people have sent their good photos. For easy taking of attendance, they have mentioned their name, their register number in front of their name. So like that I have announced, and I have allocated some marks. I have allocated some mark for so assigning their profile picture, as well as the register number. So like that I have announced. So students also did very well about that their assignments. Okay, so next this is the way only I have completed. So announcement, so announcement question. So like that I given everybody should keep your photos. Just I have assigned 10 points. Okay, so next thing, so for viewing attendance, I have created one separate tab for attendance. So in that attendance, so I have created a Google Sheet. So students can view their attendance details using this Google Sheet. So they can't edit, they can only view, like that only I have created. So total present, total option, so cumulative periods, which period I have taken, like that information I have added in the attendance sheet. Next one is the unit 1 modules. So in this module, I have ordered my recorded lecture videos. Okay, so here This is my recorded lecture, I mean live recorded lecture videos. So here I have ordered my live recorded lecture video for students reference. It may take some time. I have ordered all recorded lecture videos here. So due to some network issues, so it loading. I have ordered recorded live lecture video. And also I have ordered unit 1 recorded videos. This is the way only I have created recorded video using Google Meet. And also I got some of the comment from the students. I have posted my PPTs. I have used my interactive projector. So this is that final copy of that interactive projector copies. So like that I have ordered in that modules. So here I have so next I have created unit 1 quizzes. So quizzes I have used, usually I have used Google Forms. Through Google Forms I have asked questions. So and then I have import grade from the Google form. It update in the grades. So grade here this is that final thing. So this is my unit 1 quiz with the limit speed tolerance. So automatically I can import grade from the Google form. So so the following students are already completed their quizzes. And also I have used quizzes.com. So this is one of that separate link. I have used quizzes.com for conducting quizzes. And unit 1 assignments, unit 1 assignment, these all are that I have given 11 assignments. So this is the strategy. Here I have assigned some of the students, they have submitted. Here 23 students I have assigned 23. So assigned to 23 students I have graded like that information I have kept in the unit 1 assignments. And also I have graded all the assignments. Those who are submitted, just I have graded. And some of the people yet to join due to some network and some digital I mean digital transformation. I have created graded discussion, unit 1 graded discussion. So this is the unit 1 graded discussion. Here I have asked some question. Students are discussing about the topic. For that depends upon their discussion. I have assigned 10 points. So it is still the discussion going on in the classroom. And I have created rubrics for assessment. So this is the standard rubrics for my entire class. So this is my rubrics. So totally 10 mark for each assignment. So timely submission, plagiarism, like that I have split up my 10 marks. So the quizzes also grading. So I used quizzes.com as well as um, so Google form. So it may be we can automatically import from the Google form grades. And I have created one of the virtual lab. So this is a virtual lab video. I have used MHRD virtual lab. So I have done one of that video, and I have posted to that Google Classroom. So and also I got feedback from students. It will be very useful. So this is the virtual lab. So next I have added feedback and testimonials. So then and there students also gave feedback about that Google Classroom and the teaching. So here these are the people's gave feedback. Here one of the students gave the feedback about courses. uh, so this is also I have considered for Google Classroom. And I have implemented some of the tools. So then and there I will be posted a congratulation posting. If the students did very well, I immediately I respond through that chat box in the stream section. And I am always using wheel of names for asking question. I will using the wheel of names. I will just rotate the wheel. I will call through the spinning wheel. It is also very useful. I have uploaded a relevant picture. Here I have uploaded some of the picture related to my courses. And I have created one more thing. Here instructor forum. Here I have uploaded my contact number and my mail ID, my official things, my subject interest, everything I have added in this course. For making one of the thing, this is the way only. Just here I have requested students to make their good photos profile picture, and for taking attendance very easy, for make ease of attendance. So I requested student to keep their register number in front of their name, and so just I have created one format for making their name, register number, and images. And also I have ordered some objective and outcome of this course in that Google Classroom. Like that only I have implemented my learning management system. This is in Google Classroom. Thank you, thank you very much.